The first thing is India as a country, if you look at us in the year 2016, we're a 135 crore population. And out of 135 crores, we were only 35 crore online Indians जिसके पास broadband connection है.
ठीक है.
मोदी जी आए, as I said, अंबानी जी आए, जियो किए. From that number of 35 crore online Indians just 5-6 years ago, we are now to 80 crore online Indians.
More than double.
More than double. When I was at Harvard, I was studying e-commerce out there, and I realized that digital India hoga. India is going to get to that place.
India is going to be really big.
India is going to be a really big ecosystem in the digital world, you know, merely because of our population. 2016, Mukesh Ambani launches Jio, right? Free SIM cards for everybody.
So data becomes easy.
So internet becomes accessible. India as a country, if you look at us in the year 2016, we're a 135 crore population. And out of 135 crores, we were only 35 crore online Indians जिसके पास broadband connection है.
ठीक है.
From that number of 35 crore online Indians just 5-6 years ago, we are now to 80 crore online Indians.
More than double.
More than double. You know, and it is estimated that we'll be at 97 crore online Indians by 2025. Right? So under 100 crores.
Tremendous.
Tremendous. Making us one of the world's largest accessible online population.
Wow.
तो एक सब्जेक्ट है सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग. इसके नीचे आता है इंस्टाग्राम मार्केटिंग, फेसबुक मार्केटिंग, कोरा मार्केटिंग, यूट्यूब मार्केटिंग.
और ये सब अपने आप में बहुत डिस्टिंक्ट हैं.
डिस्टिंक्ट सब्जेक्ट्स है.
और इनमें एक आप एक में अलग से अपना मास्टरी और स्पेशलाइजेशन कर सकते हो. And they are very distinct.
Very distinct. Like in my office, somebody who knows how to do Instagram marketing has no idea how to do YouTube.
Yeah.
And the guy who's doing marketing on another platform, let's say like Quora, has no idea how websites are made or how SEO is done.
Correct.
So digital marketing only has these many professions. Right? इसके बाद आता है influencer marketing, फिर email marketing, retention marketing, marketing automation. तो अगर आप सिर्फ subjects देखोगे और आप हर एक सब्जेक्ट को 1 महीना भी दोगे तो 1 साल भर तो लग जाएगा.
लग जाना चाहिए.
WPP, IPG, Publicis, Omnicom, Dentsu, ये 5 बड़ी कंपनी. I would say 80% of Indian advertising is controlled by 5 companies. अभी इनके अंदर बहुत सारी subsidiaries है. तो recently मैं एक article पढ़ रहा था. This was the CEO of one of those companies. This is just, I'm talking about 1 week back. And he said that they are going to hire 7,000 new employees just उनकी company में for digital marketing in the next 2 years. Point being, hiring a digital marketing resource in United States of America will cost you 1 crore in their currency. अरे point ये सब कुछ digitally ही हो रहा है. Hiring the same digital marketing resource in India is far cheaper.
Almost 4-5 times cheaper.
Way cheaper.
Way cheaper.
Way cheaper. आप फ्रेशर को उठाओगे आप कुछ भी दे सकते हो. पर वहाँ पे आपका स्टार्टिंग सैलरी, because वहाँ the minimum that you have to draw is 50 lakh rupees INR in the US, right? As minimum wages.
Correct.
डॉलर के हिसाब से.
Correct.
So what you need to understand is that just like there was an IT boom where Indian IT companies outsourced IT for so many years and became the largest companies on the stock exchange बनता है उनके हिसाब से आजकल. Global advertising will be controlled by India, where everybody outsources digital advertising to us, and we are the guys who are supplying the content, the ad, the report, the website, the SEO, the email, the marketing automation sitting here.
Amazing. So we are going to be the global leader
The
into
global
the digital marketing space.
Yes.
In terms of providing the entire resource.